Welcome to this lesson where I'm going to show you how you can upload your first document, configure your signers, and send out contracts that collects signatures automatically all inside GHL. What we are going to cover in this lesson: how to upload a document into the e-signature plugin, how to configure the first signer using the custom fields, how to set up multiple recipients as manual entry or custom values, how to set up multiple recipients, how to trigger the signing process directly from a workflow, how to track and configure when documents are signed. Let's get started. Let's first of all go to your GHL plugins account. You navigate to settings, and under settings, you click on the link, click on links, click on add links. You choose a service that you choose the service you wish to work on, which is signature, and then you click on save. Head over to the sidebar here, copy the link, and head to your agencies. And on your agencies, click on the setting, scroll down and search for the custom menu links, and click on it. Then you click on create new, and you insert an icon. You give a title, which is, and you paste the custom menu link of the plugin right. You choose a sidebar preference. You choose an account where you want the link to pop up. Then you choose a role-based visibility, and then you click on save. Once you're done creating your custom menu link, hurriedly switch to the account, search for the custom menu link on your sidebar right here, and you click on it. This interface is going to pop up with these two features, that is the new document and the share, plus the receiving ID. I'm going to show you how each and every feature functions right now. So let's start by clicking on the create new document, and I'll show you how that works. You're going to see this second pop-up here where you'll be able to upload a new doc or upload your document, and the system automatically creates the first signer. And I'm going to show you how you can add the custom fields in here and then add many recipients. So let's upload the document. Click on it. Once you have uploaded your document, you can go ahead to add the custom fields of the signer. You add the email, and here a signer is tagged with the start tag and an end tag, and the whole system or the entire document has a start tag and as well the end tag. Here you'll be able to add as many recipients as you can. So let's move ahead to configure this. So you add the name of the first signer, you add the email, and here you're going to add the custom field that contains the link of the document. So let's move ahead to create a custom field that contains the link of a document. To create a custom field, just head over to your account and you click on settings, and under settings, search for custom fields and click on it. Then you click on the single line, click on next. You add custom field here. Let's see, we add this, and we choose a group where we want the custom field to appear. Let's say it should appear under contacts, and you click save. Once you've created your custom field, so hurriedly switch back to the plugin and you choose the custom field. Custom field was this. Let's take this, and here is a tag. Here is the end tag of the first signer. And as for the second signer, you can add as many signers as you want or as many recipients as you want. As from the second recipient, the name, you can either enter the name manually or you can take a custom value from the app. You can enter it manually or you can take the custom value from the account. So let's choose the same custom field here. And here you can customize the button as you want. Let's customize with this color. Let's give another color here. And let's add again another recipient. Let's say choose this. Can add another recipient. And custom value should be the ones that are in this, are attributed to the contact in this account. So endeavor to always check the custom values before you continue. We also have several features such as the signature, the input, the text, the date, and the images. Let me show you how that works. So you drag and drop, then you modify just the way you want it to be. We have here, if you want to change the font size, if you want to, let's say the font size, you want to increase the font size, you want to change the color, you're free to do that. You want to add a label, you can do that, or you can choose a custom field from the system. Everything is just designed here for you. We have the settings. You want to increase the weight, you're free. If you want to make it required, obviously, click on it. If you want to customize the location, you are free to do that. And when you're done, you click on save. We also have the input text here. You want your lead to input something into the document, you just do that. Increase the font size. You can change the color. You can change the handwriting. You can add a label. You can adjust the settings if it's required. Then you can give the value to this. Oh, this one. We add the location. You see this other feature. We have the date. We want our document to contain the date. Let's drag and drop, and then you customize it, the font size, the colors, and that's just it. The labels and everything is just in here. You can use these features to customize your document. And that is for the first recipient. You can customize the document for the second recipient. Then when you're done configuring your document, you can easily copy from here. You click on the copy icon, you can share from one account to another. Then you can download the document from here. You can delete. And here with the list icon, it's going to enable you to track the status of your document. So here we have not yet signed the document, so you cannot see any progress so far. So let's head back and I'm going to show you how you can trigger that document. Click on the business tool and then click on the e-signature to go back to the document. And then you click on the edit. So from here, you're going to use the start tag trigger of the document to trigger the first signer. So let's do that. You copy the tag and you head to contacts. Once you're in your contact tags, scroll down and search for the tags. Let's see. Here is the tags and you paste it. You add a tag, then you reload your page. The document is going to pop up where you added it under the additional info. You can decide to add under the general info. So you choose your own folder you wish to work in. My own case, I decided to add under the additional info. I copy the documents and I paste on a new tab. So here is how our document looks like. So we start filling. Let's say I fill this here and I go down, I fill my name. I want to sign this document. Then I click on the signature and I sign. Click on sign. So you check if you've completed all the fields here. You've completed them. And I click on the submit. Once you are done signing your document, head back to your plugin and you check for the progress. Go to business tools, click signature. Then you click on the list icon right over here. And here you're going to see that the document was completed. So the status here is completed. And we'll see that we have 3 recipients, but 1 successfully completed the document. Here you can delete the document if you don't want it any longer. You can share via a link, get the signer's authentication. You can download the document from here. So you click on it. These are all the features that are the level of the progress status. So you can set automations that can work alongside with these tags that are in. So I decided to add some few automations for the first signer. When the first signer is tagged with the tag sign, he is going to receive an email notifying him that he just received a document and he needs to sign it. And when he signs the document, I have another automation that is going to fire, telling or notifying the agency owner that, hey, the signer just signed the document.